Hey, what's up, dudes and dudettes? So real quick, I'm going to show you a hair mask. I'm going to use our Curl Definer hair mask. I'm going to use that in my hair. It's like a bentonite clay, seed clay, French red clay, Fuller's Earth clay, and I think there's one other thing I'm missing. It's a bunch of clay to put into my head to pop my curls. I'm going to show you all that because I know you all want some lovely curls like mine. Luxurious. So, if there's something into, watch this video. If it's not, that's totally cool. I have another video for you later. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. It helps me pay the bills. You know, these lights, they run off, you know, subscriptions and likes and stuff. You know, this is a social media world. And my OnlyFans ain't popping, so.
Yeah. I'm muted, keeping things silent. Mask them demons out, see the projections from your eyelids. Balance our perceptions, your perspective is a weapon. Let your thoughts receive the message while your heart creates the lessons. I smoke the finest herb, I take these trips for higher essence. Relax my huge anxiety and pass through my collections. The women coming, dying need the sex call my aggression. But I know there is no point if me and you have no connections. I need peace with my transgressions, more life for all my brethren. Know it's tough when people die on TV screens and they reflect it. Call us bandits, thieves and thugs, what can we do besides be level? They think we were lessen, but the army's built from heaven. Moving silence cause your knowledge can become a deadly weapon. The entertainment schemes is here to blind us from the message from the angels in their heavens. While the crook will steal our methods, take our culture, then manipulate the things they said were hellish. I don't wanna live no more if this the world I got to live in. Better live with all my fallen, hope that God will bless their image. The battlefield is big, I need more people with the vision. Surround myself with brothers who still need a pot to piss in, so we all connect, not momentarily, but it's forever. Hopefully this summer breeze won't go corrupt the weather. Protect me from these entities that wanna see me down. The God I need to breathe, but somehow I'm still finna drown. I'm still finna drown. Protect me now.
Okay, I got this. Fathers leading families. I can vibe with it. I'm a father. I have a family. I don't lead it. Boss Mick and King Kai lead it, but I do follow their lead very well. So kudos to me. Kudos to freaking me. Huh. Okay. Huh. It's like a little kid shirt. So let's check out this little kid one first. This is a size 24 months. So definitely boss mix sizable. And this looks, oh, it says future leader on it. Because like his pull-out game's gonna get weak one day too. Ha, fantastic. I like that. Ha. And then of course we got the matching shirt. I can figure out how to open this thing packaging. Hey, less confusing packaging, please. Thank you. Boom. Nice. Medium. Haha. Fathers leading families. I like this tag. This is a good tag. This is a super dope tag. Ooh, and I got the shoulder things. Nice. Nice. I'm a big fan of like the shoulder things. You know, I think it's dope. Fathers leading families. This is fantastic. Thank you so much for this. This is dope. This is definitely dope. Oof. This is definitely dope. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So, thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and that essentially is my curly hair technique. I just use a little bit of curl definer, throw it in the hair, and then I let it sit for about an hour and some change depending. So the thing about this curl definer is you gotta let it dry fully, right? If you got a lot of hair like mine, really dense like mine, it's hard for hair to dry, really. Like the center of my hair stays moist. So with the curl definer, the hard thing was actually making sure it was fully dry. But once it did dry, we were good to go. Hopped in the shower, you got to see my pretty little toes. Boom, wash all out, and that was it. Now, the one thing I will say is we kind of had a baby in between the start of that video to when I'm recording this now. So unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to get that nice high quality curly shot that I could get you. But I did get this shot on my cell phone I can show you of my curls as they popped after I slept a little bit. So, you know, hopefully take it with a grain of salt. It looked fantastic though. Now, if you really want to add a little extra spice to your curls, use a tool. This is a twisted up comb, and it's something you just take and you twist, 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 and you twist it on up as the theme song goes. Now, you can check out the card here. I'm gonna put a card here. If I don't put a card here, that means I failed at uploading this video correctly. But also in the description, you can find out their Instagram page. You can get one of these things. It's like a little tennis racket, a little mini tennis racket, and you just twirl, 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 twirl. And ultimately, your hair is just gonna be nicely, very nicely. You may notice my shirt got extremely dirty. I like to use True Laundry Detergent for all of our cleaning needs at the house. This is the sensitive version, no, the fragrant-free version. It's good for babies. You know, we got 2 babies now. Pull-out game week. And then Christine also breaks out from fragrance detergent. So we tried the regular detergent. I love it personally, but it wasn't so good for Christine and the baby because of the, you know, the fragrances. So this is what we stick with in the house, and this is what we like to use. So I just threw this up in here. Boom, boom, hit play. Not play, start, oh, open the door. There we go. So yes, if you have not already, get yourself some True Laundry Detergent, black owned, fantastic, I love it. And it's good, it's good for you. So, very nicely curled, a nice curl pattern. You'll like it, you'll enjoy it. So, for this whole thing, again, you just need some water, curl definer, time, patience, nice hair, and a twisted up comb if you desire. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did not enjoy it, let me know what you didn't enjoy, please. I will take your considerations and your recommendations with a grain of salt without cursing at you this time. I promise, I'll be nice. So, thank you so much. And yeah, let me get out of here. See ya. Da. Da.